There is a way to make a woman like you, genuinely like you, in under 9 seconds. And no, this isn't some pickup artist nonsense. This is simple psychology, and it has nothing to do with what you say to her. In fact, it has almost nothing to do with your mouth at all. Now, before you think I'm exaggerating, let me give you the science. Harvard ran a study where they had students watch a 2-second video clip of a professor and form snap judgments about that person's character and likability. And what blew the researchers away was that those 2-second snap judgments matched almost exactly with the opinions of students who had been in that professor's class for a full semester. A semester. 4 months of interaction, and 2 seconds told them the same thing. So 9 seconds, that's not just enough time, that's more than enough if you know what to do with it. So if you're a man who feels invisible to Chapter 2, Why You Feel Invisible to Women. Women, and I don't mean that in some dramatic feel sorry for yourself kind of way, I mean the guys who walk into a room and genuinely feel like women just don't see them. Maybe you've been out of the dating game for a while. Could be years, could be decades. Maybe you were in a long relationship and now you're suddenly single again, thinking, I don't even know how to do this anymore. Or maybe you're still with your partner, but something shifted. She doesn't look at you the way she used to. You walk through the door and it's just nothing. You feel like furniture. If any of that landed, stay with me on this one, because those 9 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to own them. Quick thing, a good friend of mine, Kate Spring, who's an award-winning author on female psychology and attraction, put together Chapter 3, The Free Female Mind Control Handbook. A free PDF called the Female Mind Control Handbook. It covers the psychology behind everything I'm about to teach you. I've linked it in the description. Go grab it. Here's the part that changes everything. Chapter 4, The #1 Body Language Mistake Men Make. What happens in those first few seconds has almost nothing to do with what you say. It's not about having some clever opening line. It's not about being witty or charming. It's about what your body is communicating before your mouth even opens. And this is where I see a lot of men, especially guys coming out of long relationships or long stretches of just being alone, completely fall apart without even realizing it. Their body language has just collapsed. Shoulders rounded forward, eyes on the floor, arms crossed or hands jammed in pockets. And they have no idea they're doing it. But every woman in that room, she reads it instantly. Not consciously. She's not standing there analyzing your posture. It's deeper than that. Her nervous system is picking up signals of submission and insecurity and emotional like unavailability. And she's already moved on before you've opened your mouth. That's the brutal truth of it. So let me give you something you can actually use starting tonight if you want. There's a researcher named Nicholas Boothman who wrote a book on likability, and he breaks it down into, well, it's basically 3 actions. And I've adapted this for the men I work with because it's ridiculously effective. Look, smile, open. First one, look her in the eye. Chapter 5, Step 1, Eye Contact. Signaling confidence, and I mean actually look at her, not a darting glance and then stare at the floor. When you meet a woman, you look her in the eyes and you hold it just for a beat. In Western culture, eye contact is one of the strongest non-verbal signals of confidence a man can project. When your eyes hit the ground, you're telling her subconsciously, not intentionally, that you see yourself as beneath her, that you don't feel worthy of her attention. And you may not think you're communicating that, but I promise you, you are. Every single time. For men who've been feeling invisible for a while, this one shift alone can change how women respond to you almost immediately. I've seen it happen. Second one, smile. And yeah, I know, obvious, Chapter 6, Step 2 and 3. The charming versus alarming, split-second test. Right, but a huge percentage of men just don't do it. They're so locked in their own head, worried about what to say, worried about being rejected, that their face goes completely flat, or worse, tense. And when a woman sees a man approaching with a guarded or stiff expression, her brain does this instant categorization. Boothman calls it charming or alarming. That's the binary. That's the split-second decision her nervous system makes. A real warm smile, not a performance, just a genuine actually. Let me put it this way. You know that feeling when you see someone and you're just glad to see them? That's the energy. That's what I'm talking about. That kind of warmth signals safety. It tells her you're someone she can actually relax around. And for women, that is everything. Third, open your body. This is the one that the vast majority of guys get wrong, and they don't even know they're doing it. Crossed arms, hunched shoulders, turning slightly away from her when you're talking. These are all defensive postures. They're walls, and women read them fluently, even if they couldn't name what they're seeing. What you want to do is face her directly, let your arms hang naturally, gesture when you talk, expose your chest, and I know that sounds weird, but think of it like this. When a dog trusts you, it rolls over and shows you its belly, right? Same principle. When you stand in front of someone with an open chest, open posture, you're non-verbally telling her, I'm not guarding myself. I'm not afraid of this interaction. I'm inviting you in. And that is honestly coming from a man who carries himself with calm, grounded energy. That's incredibly attractive. Not puffed up, not performing, just present. And here's what ties this all together. And I think this is the part that actually matters. It's not really about technique. Your body language is a direct reflection of how you see yourself. If you walk into a room believing you've got nothing to offer, your body broadcasts that before you ever open your mouth, shoulders cave, eyes drop. But if you walk in with even a fraction more self-belief, not arrogance, just honest, quiet certainty that you're a man worth knowing, everything shifts. Your posture changes, your eye contact steadies, your face softens, and women notice. They can't help it. It's wired into how we read each other as human beings. Now, if you want the full system, the step-by-step breakdown of how to make women feel genuinely drawn to you, not just in those first 9 seconds, but in every interaction after. Kate also put Chapter 7, How to Change How She Sees You, the full system, together a full video guide that goes way deeper than the handbook. It's basically the mind hack that makes attractive women want you. And it's not theory, it's the specific psychological triggers that flip a switch in how she sees you. I've sent a lot of men to this, and the feedback is always the same. They wish they'd seen it sooner. Links in the description below. Go watch it, especially if what we talked about today hit home. All right, look her in the eye. Actually smile and stop closing yourself off. 9 seconds, that's all you need. That's it for today.